ZANU-PF's internal power struggles are spilling into the open, with the mounting evidence that the ruling party is rigging its own primary elections to sideline rivals and consolidate factional control ahead of crucial by-elections. Sadabina mashoko nda kuti ZANU-PF panapa vakuremerana, vese vari kunzi vari kurigana kuti yes, it is the same party, vanozivikanwa kuti ibato riri the leader mukuriga. Now pakukundisana kwavari kuita kumaprimary kuma-by-elections, these guys, they are rigging each other. Sarabina mashoko blanjiro pana bro, subscribe or like out on the bell kuti bila pana wa mchinzi. The party has nullified the results of Insisa North primary election held on 3 May 2025, citing failure to meet the minimum accepted standards. The move, announced by provincial chairperson Visitor Mangiliso Love, is exposed deepening factional tensions within the ruling party and confirmed what many have long suspected. ZANU-PF expertise in electoral manipulation is now being turned inward in the absence of a strong external opposition. Matabeleland South Youth League chairperson Moses Langa, who won the contest with 2.478 votes, now finds his victory under threat. He had outpaced several contenders, including Delano Moyo 1.564 votes and Dr. Rupan Moyo 983 votes, among others. However, insiders allege that the primary was made by procedural violations and behind-the-scenes maneuvering by rival scams fighting for dominance in the post-Mugabe ZANU-PF. These polls have been nullified. Noda kukuti panapa kuona kuti hana kumita standards, but panapa pane a debate iripo. Panapa people, they are saying just because these guys kurukunzi kune zvaitika ku background ma issues ekuriga and the likes, we are not so sure kuti this guy anga nominatiwa anzi ndiye a winner elections. Maybe he might not be a member of the powerful faction with the ruling party ZANU-PF. So zoliita kuti aiwa these polls ave nullified. Mashoko tiri kuona kuti vatu veZANU-PF panguva inoyi vanhu yazokwana kuti raparara, hapachisina zvechino. Pinda comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chationa kuti they are fighting even opposition isipo. Pinda comment section medu musama subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.